In the previous episode, we have learned to prepare the homemade rasam powder. In this episode, let us learn to prepare an easy, quick and tasty rasam by using the homemade rasam powder that we have learned. Because this can be prepared very quickly and easily, we call this Dhidir Rasam at our home. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. Because this starts with the tempering, we are heating 3 tablespoons of oil in a heavy bottomed saucepan. Once the oil is hot, let us add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to this. When the mustard starts to splutter, let us add 2 to 3 finely chopped dry red chilies to this. After roasting the dry red chilies for a while, let us add 1 fistful of curry leaves to the tempering. Within 2 minutes, the tempering for the dish is ready, and now is the time to add finely chopped 3 medium-sized tomatoes. My dear friends, we have forgotten to add one of the most important ingredients, and that is asafoetida. Adding a little asafoetida enhances the flavor of the rasam. Now let us add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric to this mixture. Let us give this all a good mix and then let us cover a lid and allow the tomatoes to cook on a low flame for a while. The added tomatoes have cooked perfectly, and now is the time to add our next ingredient, and that is 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. At our home, it is almost a habit to add 1 tablespoon of jaggery after adding the tamarind pulp. You can completely skip addition of jaggery if you don't like sweetness in the dish. And now is the time to add the most important ingredient, and that is 2 tablespoons of homemade rasam powder. After giving this a thorough mix, we are adding about half a liter or 2 cups of water to this. Because this is rasam, we can actually add more water to this. But let us just be a little mindful of adding more water. Let us not forget to add the king of taste, Mr. Salt. And by the way, rasam usually needs more salt. Therefore, keep a check on the salt that you add. After mixing the salt thoroughly, let us allow the rasam to come to a boil. After boiling the rasam for about 2 minutes, let us turn off the stove and add the final ingredient, and that is finely chopped coriander. Be generous while adding coriander because it is very important for rasam. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, we have tasty, easy and fragrant Dhidir tomato rasam. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking and have fun wherever you are.